Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data cards in LEGO Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga. These valuable collectibles are your key to unlocking a galaxy of fun and helpful gameplay modifiers. Think of them as special tokens that replace the traditional red bricks from earlier LEGO titles. There are exactly 19 of these unique cards scattered across the game's many planets, each one waiting to be discovered to enhance your adventure. To find these elusive data cards, you'll need to explore the expansive open-world hub areas on different planets. Keep a keen eye out for a bright golden glow, and a helpful marker will appear on your in-game map when you are close. Often, reaching a card involves a small puzzle, like stacking objects with the Force, grappling to high ledges, or using a scavenger's special tools. Persistence is key to collecting them all. Once you've collected a data card, head into your holoprojector menu and select the Extras tab. Here, you'll find a list of exciting modifiers. To unlock an extra, you'll need one data card and a certain amount of studs, which can range from thousands to millions. The great news is that any data card you find can be spent on any extra you desire, giving you complete flexibility in customizing your gameplay experience. Among the most popular and useful extras are the stud multipliers, which can boost your collected studs by 2, 4, 6, 8, or even 10 times. These are fantastic for quickly earning currency. Beyond that, you can unlock fun cosmetic changes like Big Head Mode, turning all lightsabers into baguettes, or even transforming the galaxy into a disco with Galaxy Rave. These extras truly add unique twists and endless replayability to your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.